Hi there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampingup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's project features the Just My Type stamp set. This is a cute little card to make, and it's a really pretty stamp set. If you haven't noticed it in the annual catalogue from Stampin' Up yet, it's definitely well worth checking out and purchasing. Fabulous images. I love this typewriter. So I've gone ahead and used one of our new colours in Stampin' Up. This is Lemon Lolly, and I've paired it with Coastal Cabana and some Berry Burst, which is a returning colour for Stampin' Up. Really easy card to make, and I've used, my cardstock is Smoky Slate, which I haven't used for a little while, and these are Lemon Lolly embellishments as well. Let's go ahead and get the stamping done. It's a bit of fussy cutting, but it's not difficult fussy cutting. So start with a piece of, for the stamping, a piece of thick basic white. I suggest you use your stamping mat, foam mat. These photopolymer stamps with a lot of imagery on them, they just benefit from having that little bit of support underneath them. So I'm going to bring in my Lemon Lolly stamp pad and ink that up and stamp down. Use a bit of pressure because it's a big image. I stamped quite close to the bottom there, but that's okay. And then bring in my Coastal Cabana for the paper stamp. So that one right there. Go that way. Don't you love it with that little folded piece of paper for the typewriter? And then Berry Burst for the sentiment of thank you. Berry Burst and Coastal Cabana. Match made in heaven, I think, colour-wise. Let's put them all to one side. I've actually gone ahead already and cut them out just to save you watching me fussy cut, but they're so easy to cut. That's the Lemon Lolly and those colours together. I think that's really pretty. Let's put those together now with a little bit of adhesive. When I find my adhesive, which is here and staring at me, just put a little bit down here. Yeah. And then pop your paper in here, so the paper is popping up out of the typewriter. There's so many cute colours, colours you can use for these typewriters. Really like them. Right, let's let that dry for a second. And the other detail on here is this little table and vase and flowers. Now these are dies that are in the Zany Zoo die set, and I just love them. There's no stamp for them, they just are put together with the dies. They're so blooming cute. Let's just quickly put those together. Nothing too complicated about this. I've actually cut a piece of another piece of thick basic white, and we're using the Stylish Shapes circles, Stylish Shapes dies, I should say. Now that's going to go onto there. I just want to get the placement of where I put my little table. I think about there. Pop a little bit of adhesive down, Tombow, which is not my favourite adhesive, but it happens to be the one that's right next to me. So just pop that there. I just felt that the typewriter needed a little bit of something next to it. I mean, there is this cute potted plant as well, but just for something a bit different, and to use your other dies that you may have in your set. Zany Zoo is so cute. This little vase. Oh my goodness. Pop that out of the way. Right, and now just the little flowers. Now they are a little bit tricky. I'm just going to bring in my silicone mat. Pop a little bit of Tombow down there. Using my take your pick tool, the end with the putty on it. I just want to get a little bit of that glue, she says, as she dobs the whole piece in there. And then just artfully arrange the flower there. Now there's this a little die for these little flowers that cuts out 3 of them, and I figured why not use all 3. It's a little bit, you know, fiddly with the tiny little die. Where's the 3rd one gone? There it is. It's escaped me. But if you've got the time, it's worth the effort because they are cute. They're very cute. How's that? I think they are very cute. I cut them in Berry Burst by the way as well. So I've kept the Berry Burst, Smoky Slate and Coastal Cabana colour combination going throughout this as well. Okay. Let's put some dimensionals on the back here of our stamped image. We have got a little bit more stamping to do, so we'll finish that off in just a moment. Just get this done. Pop that on there. Just position a little bit more down the bottom, I think. Go. Got it a bit high actually. It's come down a tiny bit. There we are. Here you go. Now I also have a piece of embossed smoky slate here for the matting, and this is using another one of our new embossing folders. This is the Twisted Rope 3D embossing folder. Highly recommend, highly recommend this embossing folder. Really, really pretty. Let's do one more bit of stamping on the inside. I use Lemon Lolly using this very pretty flower image for across the bottom. So let's bring back in Lemon Lolly and the Stampin' the mat, and just do a little bit of stamping across the bottom. I'm going to have it so it's, here we go, right there. I really love this colour, Lemon Lolly. Go, and then you can put whatever sentiment you want in the inside, or just write your words of thanks on the inside. Get that out of the way. I haven't scored my card. I'll just quickly score that on my trimmer, which is next to me. You don't have to score them, you can leave them and just fold them, but I always like to put a score mark in there. I just think it makes the cards look, they fold that much better, in my humble opinion. Let's put this one in. Some Stampin' Seal on here. Oh my gosh, my Stampin' Seal. There we go. Here we are. Put that in. It's your insert piece, and now let's finish off this with some dimensionals. And I'm about to run out of these dimensionals. It's okay, that should hold it for the time being. So I can open up a new pack of dimensionals, which I always have a massive supply of. You can never have too many. I'm popping it towards the bottom of the matting, and then bringing in the Lemon Lolly. These are the, what are these ones called? These are the adhesive backed sequined gems, and they are very cute. Very, very cute. Just pop a couple on here. Down the bottom. Just a couple of those smaller ones. There you go. Come on, Gem, you can do this. Here we go. And that's nearly done. And then let's pop that up with some more dimensionals. So we'll need to open up another pack. Have I already got a pack open? No, just open up another pack of dimensionals here. You can lay this flat. I just like sometimes I just like the matting to pop a little bit more on the card. And when you put the dimensionals on, it just gives it that slightly, you know, just gives it a pop. Got them all. Oh, missed that one. Right, let's pop that on here. Quick and easy card using this very, very cute stamp set. Just my type from Stampin' Up. I have put a link to all the products I've used in the description bar below. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, stampingmary, that's MERRY @gmail.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.